Hello guys, this is Aryan. In this video I will tell you 10 lines essay about leaf. Number 1. A leaf is an important part of a plant. Number 2. A leaf is an above ground plant organ. Number 3. Leaves come in many shapes and sizes. Number 4. Its main functions are photosynthesis and gas exchange. Number 5. Leaves develop at nodes. Number 6. Mainly the leaves are flat. Number 7. A leaf that has only one blade is called a simple leaf. Number 8. A compound leaf has 2 or more blades. Number 9. Humans have found many uses for leaves. Number 10. Leaves can also be harmful. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, kindly subscribe the channel and stay tuned. Thank you.